Aimore Dutra, who is the co-founder of Arbitration City, here with me. Aimore, can you please tell our viewers a little bit more about yourself, but also about Arbitration City? We are here with Aimore reporting from Future Law UK Litigation Day, and it's a pleasure to have him. Aimore, over to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Timo, for the opportunity. I think it's great to be here. Super excited. It's like the third day. So a bit about myself. My name is Aimore. I'm the principal AI engineer and co-founder of Arbitration City. We are building a technology hub for arbitrations and like people in the space of the dispute resolution. And we built like a community platform. We have already like 1,500 users, and every week we are getting like more users. It's a free community. It's basically mini LinkedIn, like specialized for disputes, but really any people like can join. We do try to get like people that have technology interest on it. We have like an AI zone. So if you're interested in dispute resolutions, legal, and AI, please join our platform. Yeah, and super excited about being here in this, like this area, like of this event.
Also, Aimore, and from what I understand, Arbitration City, a specialist platform for arbitration, litigation professionals with inclination and interest in technology. Can you tell our listeners, is this localized here in the UK, or is this a global community that you're building?
Yeah, so the company started here in London. Our office is in St. Paul's, like in IDRC, International Dispute Resolution Center. But it's like an international platform. Everyone can use it. Like we have like people across the globe. Yes, that's it.
And can you tell us a little bit more about when you started, what is your kind of member count, who is welcome to that platform? Is it purely for private practice professionals, or is this also for, let's say, in-house professionals and other people surrounding? Is it open to other solution providers? Are there any obstructions for more people to join the platform?
Yeah, absolutely not. Actually, like it's a very open-minded platform. Our goal, our mission as a company is to empower lawyers. So any kind of lawyer in-house, like barristers, individual arbitrators, should like consider like joining to receive, latest updates about technology and arbitration world. Like we basically try to also building like our AI solutions because this is actually like our next step as we see like ourselves moving forward. Our AI solutions is basically building three pillars. One is the confidentiality. So lawyers, they need that, right? Like if you can't just talk with like a lawyer without talking about confidential privacy, right? So the first pillar, the main feature is confidentiality. The second one is document management. Lawyers, they deal with like large volumes of documents. So it's really like embedded in our system, the easy navigation through these documents, And third and finally is the verifiability. AI, it's good, but you need to verify. You need to make sure that they are accurate, right? You're taking the due diligence in being sure that what the product, like the answer that is being given to you. So all these features are embedded into our next product.
Fantastic. And as the last question from me, Aimore, what's Arbitration City's vision for the future?
Yeah, so vision for the future, we want to bring more people into our community because we think that there is like a great potential there. There's like, we are having already seen like a lot of interest from the, like the legal side in tech and the tech in the legal side as well. So I think we want to bring these people together, make them, like aware, like what's going on, and connect people and empower them.
Fantastic. Aimore, pleasure to have you here at Future Law UK, and hopefully we'll have you back